Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix this error 0x8007042c. If you are facing this error for Windows update or Firewall, so how to fix this error is very easy and simple way to fix this problem. So firstly you need to search troubleshoot settings and open it. So simply search troubleshoot settings and open it. Now click on other troubleshoots. Just click on it. Now here you see this Windows update. So click on run. Now wait. This process will be complete. And if this process will be complete, so close it. And your problem will be fixed. If does not fix, so try second method. Search CMD and right click on command prompt. Click on run as administrator. Now here need to type this command line sfc space slash scan SCANNOW. Now simply type this command line sfc space slash scan now and press enter in your keyboard. Now wait till this process will be 100%. You see this? This process will be take some minutes, so wait. And this process will be complete, so restart your PC or laptop. So close this command prompt window and click on start and power button and restart your PC or laptop. And after restart you can easily resolve this problem. So this way you can easily fix this error. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.